Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our next remedy is Apis mellifica. अब एपिस मेलिफिका का नाम आते हैं हमारे माइंड में सबसे पहले हनी बी उड़ने लगती है. एज सेम एज हनी बी, इट्स सिम्टम्स आर ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू हनी बी. बी की स्टिंग करने पर जो सिम्टम्स हमें प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वही सिम्टम्स हमें इस मेडिसिन में पढ़ने के लिए मिलेंगे. So, Apis is a very useful antisoric medicine prepared from the poison of honeybee, which is proved by Dr. Browns and belongs to apium virus. Sphere of action है cellular tissues, glands, skin, brain, UTI, heart, pleura and serous membrane. Makeup of the body में strumous constitution, यानी कि वो सूजा हुआ सा swelled उसका face puffy हमें दिखेगा. And bag-like swelling under the lower eyelids. और अगर बैग लाइक स्वेलिंग अपर आईलिड्स में हो तो हम कौन सी मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब करेंगे, ये आप हमें कमेंट करके बताइएगा. सो इट हैज़ अ इरिटेबल टेम्परामेंट. एपिस इज़ अ हॉट पेशेंट एंड इट इज़ अ राइट साइडेड रेमेडी. इट इज़ जनरली थर्स्टलेस एंड अ ग्रेट पेन रेमेडी. It has aversion to tight bandage, extremely sensitive to touch. It has getting skin alternately dry and perspiring with edema generally or locally. It has craving for cold in general, cold milk and sour things, stupor with sharp, sudden, shrill cries in brain diseases. Mind में patient is very much awkward, drop thing while handling them, as in Bovista and Netromure. Very much irritable, nervous, fidgety, unconsciousness are well marked. Mental state aggravates from heat and in warm room and better in cold weather. Apis is very good medicine for meningitis and hydrocephalus. The indications जैसे हम देखेंगे sudden shrill piercing screams of children while waking or sleeping. Child lies in a stuporous condition, one side of the body twitching, other side motionless. A stupid state or state of semi-consciousness is present. Child lying with the eyes partly closed as if benumbed. Eyes are having black-like swelling under the lower eyelids. Lids जो होती है red, edematous with burning and stinging pain. Lacrimation is hot, conjunctiva bright red and puffy. Serous exudation with edema and sharp pains. Apis में हमें each and everywhere the part of the body we found edema. Tongue is fiery red, swollen, sore and raw with vesicles. स्टमक में हम देखेंगे थर्स्टलेस रहेगा, सार फीलिंग, क्रेविंग फॉर कोल्ड मिल्क. एब्डोमन में एसाइटिस प्रेजेंट रहेगी. पेरिटोनाइटिस, यहाँ पर इन्फ्लामेशन हमें हर जगह देखने मिलेगा. फिर से बता रही हूँ. डायरिया ऑफ ड्रंकार्ड्स इन इरप्टिव डिसीजेस, स्पेशली इफ इरप्शन इज सप्रेस्ड. स्टूल जो रहेगा वाटरी, ग्रीनिश, येलोविश, स्लीमी, कंटेंस म्यूकस और ब्लडी म्यूकस. ऑफेंसिव एंड पेनलेस, इनवॉलेंटरी विथ एवरी मोशन एज थ्रू द एनस इज वाइड ओपन. It is most helpful in urinary symptoms like incontinence of urine with great irritation of the parts, frequent painful, urine is scanty, coming only in drops, bloody, fetid, albuminous with cost. Chest includes hoarseness, dyspnea, breathing hurried and difficult, edema of larynx, female genitals में edema of labia, which relieved by cold water, euphoritis with burning, stinging pain. There is suppressed menses in young girls with bearing down sensation and dysmenorrhea with severe ovarian pain. Skin is waxy, pale and edematous, sensitive to touch, erysipelas, urticaria. Edematous condition of face, especially lower eyelids, extend from right to left. Modalities में aggravation इसका नाइट में रहेगा by covering application of heat or warm weather, amelioration from cold and open air. Then Apis is an excellent drug for fever, both intermittent and remittent fever. During fever, chill begins at 3 p.m. with thirst. Pulse is rapid and full, small and trembling, intermittent. As Apis is thirstless remedy, but thirst is present only in fever stage. Fever assumes as typhoid form or meningitis, or maybe cerebral fever. Fever is continuous and low type. Patient doesn't like to cover up or to be touched. He always wants open air, uncovering and cold drinks. General modalities में aggravation होता है closed, warm, heated room from getting wet, touch, pressure, afternoon 3 p.m. and right side, and ameliorate by open air, uncovering, cold bathing, walking or changing position. So this is a short description of Apis mellifica. If I forgot something, so let me know in comment section. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.